Hey there, I'm John from In Iteration, and today we're at Cancon 2020 here in Canberra. I've set up a 3D printing booth showing off what the technology can do and selling some of the things I've made. So why don't we go take a look around and see what else is here. This here is my hot dog. Kylo Ren, he gets bigger and bigger, more swole. Pokestop for your little Pokémon village, and what's this over here? This is me. This is my own skull. See, I had a CT scan done of my head a few years ago, and I got to keep the files afterwards. So put that into particular software, you point it to look at where the bones are, export that to STL with a little bit of cleaning up in between, and then here we go. Run it through the 3D printer. This is made on I believe it was on a Stratasy 3D printer, made from gypsum powder, which means that we didn't have to print any supports for this. And it comes out looking a lot like bone. And here in my booth is Mr. Sunday Cosplay, Jara. Hi.
Yeah, what's up?
And he's done some absolutely amazing things, and I'm so pumped to have him here. Look at this. Adapting an existing respirator mask with some pretty awesome 3D printing.
So I can look cool while I breathe.
And then, tell me about that one. Is that 3D printed?
Yep, this is 3D printed one piece. It's and I've sanded and finished it, and it's been molded, so now I can cast multiple copies in resin.
And then this is made from a mold?
Yeah, that's a cast from a mold the same way I would have done that.
Okay. And
the LEDs, this back piece was leather pressed from a 3D print stamp that I made.
Using 3D printing on everything?
Yep. I mean, I'm not buying a stamp.
Nah. But the detail on that is just amazing.
Thank you. Yeah, the resin picks up, the silicon picks up everything, and then the resin picks that up.
So you just have to make sure that the first one is perfect.
The casts are going to be as good as the master.
All right, thanks so much.
No worries.
I'm glad to have you here. Look at that. It's made up of flat parts. It looks so round. Your 3D prints?
Yeah, 3D prints and designs. I'm Ryan Henry.
Nice to meet you. And what are you working on today?
Just looking at printing some pegs for a prize that we're making for the 40k tournament.
Okay.
So we're just donating a bridge for the scenery to one of the winners.
Sounds cool. Have you got some work you can show off today?
Yeah, I've got some stuff back here. So this is the bridge, which is part of the newer stuff we've been working on. So this is what we're doing for the prize.
Okay.
So it comes in several pieces. So the bridge itself has stairs, an underpart, an overpart.
Yep.
But it goes together with that glue.
I particularly like the assembly you have here.
Thank you. So the big bastion which we've made, which we've got getting used on one of the tables at the moment. This is a picture of some of the stairs. There's some of the stairs going up to it, and each of the stairs are modular as well. So the whole thing prints in 20 pieces and is all support free.
Okay.
This is the bridge part which will go on top, holding by the pegs.
That's really nice. I like it. Well, thanks so much.
Right.
It's been a pleasure talking to you.
Have a great day.
Yes, my name's Grant. We started this little business enterprise, whatever, about this time last year. I came home from a holiday in New Zealand and found them set up in my garage, and it took off from there. So branched out into some 3D printing stuff as well now.
Yep.
Hero Forge, D&D stuff.
So I'm just blown away by
The detail, the detail in that 3D stuff is amazing.
These ones up here are resin ones.
Yeah, all this is resin. All the stuff at the bottom is resin as well. All this here is resin.
Once you paint it onto it, it's so hard to actually tell.
But you can tell by the bottom. See, it's got a hole in it.
You can see some of the scarring on it.
Yeah, because when they print, you get bits of resin that's not set inside still. And if you don't get rid of it all, it cracks and then it leaks out. So we drill a hole so we can wash it out. Because we learnt very quickly that if you don't do that, you end up with a big mess. Yeah, I made this 8-9 months ago when I first got the first printer. It was just me experimenting to see what I could do. So this is Troll Skull Manor out of Dragon Heist D&D scenario, all squared up for people to use for D&D still. This is MDF on the floors, and then everything else has been 3D printed, right down to the balustrade and the little cups, the cat on the front porch, the little dog on the rug in front of the fire.
And it's just the one that you have?
Yeah, well, this is just an experiment. Just me sort of learning how to use the printer.
It's not bad at all.
So,
well, thank you for showing me all this.
No, that's great.
Fantastic.
Yeah,
And I look forward to seeing you next year.
Well, we will back next year, don't you worry.
So thanks for watching, everybody. And if you want to find out more information about the people we met today, then head on down to the description below. And if you want to keep up to date with my day-to-day activities, I've got Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and you should like and subscribe this video because I'm going to grow this channel, I'm sure. So join us for the journey, and we'll see you next time.